Deep in the heart of Africa, 5 giants shape the land: the lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard, and rhinoceros. Each plays a role in the balance of nature. The lion, a powerful hunter, keeps prey populations in check. Elephants, nature's engineers, shape the landscape. Buffaloes, the great grazers, control the vegetation. Leopards, stealthy predators, maintain ecological balance. And the rhino, a gentle giant, helps preserve the grasslands. Together, they are the guardians of the wild, keeping the ecosystem alive. Protecting them means protecting nature itself.
Wants to create a stunning wildlife documentary using just Canva? In these tutorials, I'll show you step by step on how to bring your vision to life. So with the help of ChatGPT, now we've got our video structure, which include the video prompt and the narration. So the first thing that we need to do is to copy the prompt for the video, and then we copy it, and then we go to Canva. Okay, so now you're in Canva, so we're gonna go to Magic Media, and then we come here to describe what we like to create. So there are 3 options that you need to choose from first, which is the images, graphics, and the videos. So we're gonna go with the videos, and then we come here and then paste the prompt that we got from ChatGPT, and then you come here to generate. So this is gonna take at least 1 to 2 minutes, so you're gonna need to wait. Okay, so now we've got the video, then we can just bring it into the canvas. So just like that, and then you can just click on it, click on the video, and then set the video as a background. Okay, then you open the new tab, and then we go back, and then you need to go back to ChatGPT and then copy the second prompt, and then we're gonna go to Canva, and then we click on this, and then we paste the prompt, generate again. So we're gonna need to do this process until you finish with all your prompt, and then you put them everything together like that. So while we're waiting for the video to be generated, then we need to go back to ChatGPT, and then we copy the first narration. So we're gonna be using a Speechma on this. So Speechma is actually unlimited, and then it's got a variety of voices that you can just choose from. Okay, so now we're in Speechma. So the first thing that you need to do is to paste your voice over the narration from the ChatGPT, and then you come on this settings, and then you add this number. So the number that you see there, then you need to copy it and put it on this, and then you're gonna go down to before you generate. So you need to choose the suitable voice for your video. So you can just go through the first one, and then
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into high-quality audio with just a click. Enjoy free, unlimited text-to-speech conversions that bring your content to life in multiple languages and voices. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, TikTok clips.
So if Andrew is the one that you love, then you can just click on Andrew, then it will show this black color. That means you are using Andrew. Or else, if you don't like Andrew, you can just move to Brian and listen to how Brian will speak.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into high-quality audio with just a click. Enjoy.
Okay, so you can just go through all the voices. And
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into high-quality.
You select the one that you actually love. So I'm gonna just go with Andrew, and then I come here to generate the audio. Okay, within some few seconds the voice will be here. So then you can just come here and play.
In the heart of Africa, where the sun rises over endless savannas, 5 majestic animals reign as the true guardians of the wild: the lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard, and rhino.
Okay, so you are happy with everything, then you come here to download. So you're gonna need to do this process until you are done with all your voiceovers. So now I've added everything. I've added all the videos and the images that are needed to be on this video. So I need to add the audio. So this is the audio that I need to use from Speechma. So I'm gonna put it here. So now I need to add the soundtrack. Okay, if you don't know where to get the soundtrack, then come to this site and then look for the audio. Then just click on that audio and then you come here and then you search the music or the instrument that you want. Okay, then we can just listen.
Deep in the heart of Africa, 5 giants shape the land: the lion, elephant, buffalo, leopard, and rhinoceros. Each
Okay, after you just find out that everything is okay, then you come here to share and then you download your video. Just like this, we came to the end of our tutorial for today. Until next time, bye bye.